Hi, I'm Rich Cotton, your waterfront specialist at Exit Realty Chesapeake Bay. Today I want to talk about marketing. What exactly is real estate marketing? Well, it's a lot of things to a lot of people. Some people think it's print ads in newspapers and glossy magazines. Others understand that 94% of the buyers start their search for a property on the internet. So doesn't it make sense that that's where the focus of the marketing campaign should be for your home in Cecil County? I'm very proud to say that Exit Realty Chesapeake Bay and my own waterfrontproperties.com websites are state-of-the-art in attracting and servicing buyers for properties in Cecil County, Maryland. What does that mean? Well, most websites are set up for the realtor. That's how mine was. I thought it was pretty cool. It was pretty looking, but it was pretty bad as far as servicing the needs of the consumers that were looking for homes for sale. I ask you to take a moment and go to exitrealtychesapeakebay.com and also waterfrontproperties.com to see exactly what I'm speaking about. And I'll go into this in further detail in another video blog. Thanks for watching. I'm Rich Cotton, your waterfront specialist at Exit Realty Chesapeake Bay.